It be like say NLC then get agreement with bank. All the bank said they will shut down from Tuesday. That is tomorrow. So if you know say you get money for bank, I never even get. So if you get money for bank, try hold small for hand. Because bank said they will shut down operation tomorrow. Okay, I don't carry better news come on. Before I go begin to talk, make something clear. I want first of all make something clear. Mona listen to me, I not dey support any party. I no get party. I no get any prepared candidate. I no dey support anybody. In a sense, say even my brother Buhari, I dey blast him. So I no get any party. No just say because of what I go talk for my video, you can't just say I dey support this one, I dey support that one. I no dey support anybody. I no even get voters card again. I been get, but I no get again. So no just say I dey support this party or this one now this person party they support. No be that one I dey talk. I don't bring update come. The one why I carry come for una today. If you hear what thing dey happen for this country, you go. If you hear what I want to talk today, you go ask yourself, say na this country I dey live. Whether the country to do the right thing, they even they na problem for them to do the right thing. Wallahi, I sometimes I go sit down, I say, now this country I dey live. So what you need to do now, you need to share the video. But no be update where you go hold down. This no be update where you go hold. You need to share the update. Make people they feel them. Make everybody hear what things happen. Open your ear and listen to me. I don't bring update come. Now, the latest ways that happen be say, they don't take say on Wednesday, which is 6th of September. Now that day they go bring judgment. The final, I think is it the judiciary judgment, a bit tribunal judgment. Now in the column for this Peter Obi Atiku and Atiku case where they court since. So they don't finally say on Wednesday, which is 6th of September, they will bring us the final, that's the judgment for the tribunal. That one is not the Supreme Court. Supreme Court day in home. This one, the tribunal. So, in regards to that same news, DSS can come out to talk say they don't get intel. Say they want to do a protest in Nigeria where it will lead to even crisis. So they don't get intel. They even, as a matter of fact, before Tinubu travel out of the country, they even get meeting with Tinubu today to give us a report of waiting them here. Say what happened. The intel ways and get it dey for news. Not be me the talker. This one dey for news. Yes. And again, the thing what I want to tell una now, will make me the even ask myself, say, now this country I dey live. Now what things the NBA they talk. NBA open mouth text say the people where they do all eyes on the judiciary. Now people where want bring anarchy to the country. Text say now Tinubu na be the rightful president of the country, whether people like him or not. Fine. Everybody gets the right to talk what you want to talk. But my own be say, if you work for some particular institution, let's say for example, if you work for INEC, or you be police, or you be army, or you be navy, or you work for NBA, you're not supposed to get party. Or you work for radio station, media house, you're not supposed to get candidate. You're not supposed to get party. You're supposed to be neutral. How NBA go come out the church say NBA where with the judiciary? Can they come out the church say people where they do all eyes on the judiciary, they want bring anarchy across the country. That one not even do them. The NBA can come out just say anybody where text say Tinubu no be the rightful president. Say the person they waste in time. Saying that Tinubu be the rightful president, whether they like him or not. You take this thing, 2 days to the judgment. So automatically you dey try tell us the result of the judgment. You don't tell us the scores for Wednesday before they even start to play the match. That one makes sense. Sometimes they make us they feel people from other country, they look us like say we don't even know what we do for the country. How a judiciary go to talk this kind of NBA go come to talk say if we not like Tinubu as the right president, anybody will no like can na I don't get any problem with Tinubu, but my own be said that the judiciary, you're supposed to stay neutral. As a judiciary, you're not supposed to support any party or candidate. They're neutral, do the right thing. Not because of, see, I might tell you something. Everything where we they do for this life, everything where all of us they do for this life, all of us one day we go meet God. We go give account of everything where we do, even at the time where we stand for the truth, or the time where we see through, we can't do the bad one. We cover the truth, can't talk bad thing. Now, una sabi, me na update I dey bring. Yes, the one way that happen for Gabon, I must still give. If I touch wetin dey happen for the country, I go still touch outside. The one way that happen for Gabon, I say they don't swear in that Ali Bongo cousin where lead the coup. They don't swear I'm in. So automatically the power still remain for the family. But the man talk say in no plan to stay for long. Say he one just day, make sure say they hand over the country to the right hand. Say in due time, not they no go to stay. Small time he go hand over. But you know this state that they call power. Power too bad because if he's don't hold power, the Liban not be the problem. If a chairman he never hold power, if he don't hold power, the Liban na hard thing. So he easy for until the text say in no one waste time before they swear in. Now where they don't swear him, now we go know that he go leave the power. That one na Gabon matter. Let's come back to Nigeria. When they hear say NLC say they want go 2 days warning strike. The latest why they hear we say federal government they beg them make them cancel the strike. Because the strike where they talk now, it be like say NLC then get agreement with bank. All the banks say they go shut down from Tuesday. That is tomorrow. So if you know say you get money for bank, me I never get. So if you get money for bank, try hold small for hand. Because bank said they go shut down operation tomorrow. They want go for 2 days warning strike with NLC. But for now, federal government they beg NLC make them even stop the strike. But wait I want to understand something. NLC don't come out like 2 times now say they want go strike. 2 times. First one they cancel them. Federal government bring court order stopping the strike. Second one, the strike happen. Lagos do, Abuja, they not be strike, except they do protest. This one, now they want really do the strike because bank don't involve. So if you want to do strike and you hold the financial institution solidarity, wallahi the strike go sharp. So maybe now federal government can't beg them, say make them not do the strike. But let's be back with the watch they see. That's why you have me now. Now why una get me with that? I go to bring the updates. Now this period man una even need me pass. Because as the thing they happen, now so I go to give una. Even if I they do that one, people will still look at me say I don't get sense. You they talk too much. Every time you they talk, you don't get sense. I agree. You don't ever see me argue say I get sense with you. I don't get sense. But now me is a spice creator. You know if you take that one from me, even if I don't get sense, my title you know be come up for my body. Google me now yes I be if you like make you not check me for Google.